Every November, we see people wearing poppy for Remembrance Day in honor of people who died in World War. But often do we remember Indian soldiers who laid down their lives away from home for a land not their own. From almost a decade, I had the honor of laying poppy wreath at Edinburgh City Chamber Remembrance Stone with a Om or a tricolor Indian flag symbol in honor of those forgotten Indian soldiers. Because behind every poppy there is a marigold, symbolizing India's contribution, bravery, sacrifice, and their loyalty during the war. Over 1.5 million Indian soldiers served in World War I, and over 2.5 million Indian soldiers fought in World War II. That's the largest ever volunteer army in the history. From the deserts of Africa to the fields of Europe, these Indian soldiers stood shoulder to shoulder with the British troops, and almost 160,000 of them never returned home. Yet, their contribution has been unknown and forgotten and never mentioned in the British history. However, in recent time, there has been some recognition for these Indian soldiers in the form of Chhatri Memorial in Brighton and the K6 Memorial at Kingussie, Scottish Highland, which was unveiled in 2022. I was honored to be present during the unveil of this memorial in 2022, where I recited a Hindu prayer in honor of the soldiers who laid down their life while training their mules at the freezing Scottish winter and played an important role in Dunkirk. If ever you visit Scottish Highland, I request you to pay your respect at the K6 Memorial in the park in the Kingussie town in Scottish Highland. But remembrance does not stop at just memorial. We have to educate people, teach our children about the sacrifices and the contribution of Indian soldier at both the World War, lest we forget.